Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here today to present my presentation for business transformation. It is on Coca-Cola company. So we will tell about the nutrition fact about this, about the Coca-Cola and how they are doing with this company and for the maintenance of the customers. So here it is an introduction and overview of Coca-Cola company. So Coca-Cola is the company which is responsible to offer drink to the groups of people, and as we all know, Coca-Cola is a famous brand over the worldwide, so everybody they like it. And the ingredients which provides knowledge to their customers about the wealth of nutrition and are the ingredients which are generally modified the organism of calories and sugar. So the ingredients they are available on the bottle, each and every bottle, with the nutrition fact and with their percentage, which is a good fact about this company. And it is really important for the company about their beverage with the help of scanning of QR code. So QR code is a scanning code on every bottle, and it will help to scan and to count the bottles. So here are the nutrition information of Coca-Cola. So first of all, the company has been launched Smart Label in 2016 along with the effort of QR code for more than 2000 people product in a USA. So the technically in the term of Smart Label provides many product to the customers and also provide the details on each and every bottle, which will help their customers to know about the fact and the sugar level of the Coca-Cola. And with the continue with this information, the traffic related to Smart Label is mobile and also makes it very easier to scan the code on the product and details and its type of applications. And the company will provide no sugar and less sugar alternatives, and further expanding their small packaging and supplies all over the company, which is very good. And they have small packaging at the big bottles of packaging, and so that every customer they can afford whatever they want, and allow their customer to reduce the sugar intake for this company, because in here New Zealand people they don't like much sugar in their product or everything they are doing, so it is very good for their sales, increase the sales. Here are the references, and thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, as we know, they guys not showing their ingredients properly on the label. So is that if they will show in the future? So is that good for the company or not?
Yeah, they are still they have ingredients available on their bottles or the packaging, but there are few things they are not mentioning. But in future, if they will mention all the ingredients with the percentage, it will help them to increase their product of sales, which will help customers to know about the product more efficiently. Thank you.